Hey everyone, welcome back to Drive It Out. My name is Adam. We are at the North American International Auto Show here in Detroit, Michigan. And I'm really excited because we are seeing a lot of amazing vehicles here. There's a lot of really cool cars, SUVs, and trucks at the show this year. This one is no exception. So this is the Sierra EV. That's right, this is the Denali Edition 1 Sierra EV. This is a full EV truck. Now, if you don't know about this vehicle, this runs on GM's Ultium platform. That's the platform that they're putting in all of their EVs now. Now, you think of the Hummer EV, you think of the Silverado EV, they've got a Blazer EV, Equinox EV. They're using that Ultium platform in a lot of different ways, and what they've done with the design is it's modular so that they can kind of make it custom to every different model that they need to use it in. But let's talk specifically about this one. What you're getting here in the Sierra EV is over 750 horsepower and over 780 foot-pounds of torque. That is a lot. But I tell you what, you're getting a lot of truck here in other ways as well. So again, full EV, but they want you to know that this is a truck for doing truck things. So you think of the Hummer EV that debuted a while back, and you can get that with a truck bed, yes, but they are really adamant about telling you that the GMC here is for doing truck things. Now, when you get here to the back, before I go completely back, I do want to say that one thing that separates the GMC Sierra EV from the Silverado EV, you have four-wheel steering in both vehicles, but this one will actually do the crab walk feature like the Hummer EV. So that is unique to the Sierra EV, having that crab walk feature. You can't not get that with the Silverado. But come around here to the back and you're gonna get that flex tailgate that they offer, that flex gate, and you know it has different ways that it can fold down, but you also have a flex mid gate up there in the bed, and that means you can fold down the second row of seats in the interior, and then you can fold down that back wall in the bed into the cab, and you're increasing the amount of room you have to put things in the bed of this vehicle. So as it sits right now in just normal truck mode, you have 5 foot 11 inches of room there in the bed. But if you fold that down, you have 9 feet if you're pushing things into the cab, that is. But then again, if you fold the tailgate down and then you fold up the back edge of the tailgate to kind of create that wall in the back, you have a total of 10 foot 10 inches of length to store things there in the bed of the CV. So tell you what, guys, what do you think about a truck to do truck things that's a full EV? There are some advantages here. You have power outputs in the back of this thing that you could use for charging power tools, or you could use when you're camping, or other things like that. That can be very valuable. But I tell you what, this is a lot of truck with a lot of power, and it's a lot of money. Starts at $108,000. I tell you what, if you're in the market for one and you want something that's going to do all the work and also be a rocket in a straight line, this might be for you. But this is one of the many awesome vehicles that are here at the Detroit Auto Show this year. I was really excited to look at this one, wanted to share this one with you guys. So thank you so much for watching. Again, 2024 GMC Sierra EV Denali Edition 1. Very cool truck, very sharp. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next review.